How to download Etsy digital files on iPhone. Hello Etsy shoppers. Ready to download your digital files on your iPhone? Let's walk through the process. Open the Etsy app on your iPhone and log into your account. Tap on the U icon at the bottom right corner, then select Purchases. Find the order containing the digital files you want to download. Tap on the order and locate the digital files. You may need to scroll down to find them. Tap on each digital file you want to download. They will begin downloading to your iPhone. Once downloaded, access your iPhone's Downloads folder or the app associated with the file type, for example, photos for images or files for documents. Your downloaded digital files are now ready to use on your iPhone. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded your Etsy digital files on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Happy shopping on Etsy and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.